Hi everybody, Prairie Wife here from prairiewifeandheels.com with a sweat style unboxing. This time I'm going to do things a little bit differently because Sweat Style usually boxes all their stuff up in individual Ziploc baggies. I decided to save all of us time, took out all the clothes, and I'm just going to go try them on and we can talk about everything right away. See you in a minute. Right now I'm wearing 3 items from the box. We'll start at the top and work our way down. This long sleeve top fits perfectly. I love that it has the thumb sleeves. The mesh on it is amazing for the kind of working out I'm doing right now, which is skiing and snowshoeing and maybe jogging outside if the snow ever melts. Not that I'm complaining because I love the mountain sports. Super soft, super cute, super cool. Just look at this detail right here. These guys are definitely getting the hang of my needs for workout gear. Really listening to the last video that I did. Maybe listening to a little bit too much, because everything they sent me is really cute. Okay, so these navy joggers, they obviously are not made for jogging because I like, well, not for me because I like things skin tight, but these are super cute. I like the pockets because you can throw your phone in there if you're out and about. Cute fit on the butt. I like the waistline. It's not too tight. Really good length on the bottom. It would look cute with wearing sneakers with no socks on, or your athletic running sneakers. I really like these, and I cannot even begin to describe to you how soft they are. Then we have on the crossback bra right here. You can see it has a nice high cut on it. It's definitely one that would work for higher impact workouts. And you can see the back on it is super cute, super flattering. All wins so far. These are 2 more items out of my Sweat Style box. We'll start with the coat, which I think it's hilarious that they sent this because I was just talking to Tall Girl Jay as we were skiing that I need like an in-between down coat because I have a heated coat that's super warm, and I have ones that work when it's like 40 degrees out, but they're not windproof. So I was just on the lookout for a jacket just like this. Really good length, down here on the waist, good sleeve length. I don't want something that's super tight because when I'm moving, and usually if it's wintertime, I'm going to have another layer underneath this. It has zipper pockets for your phone on the outside, a hood, which is definitely a must when you're out in the Wyoming mountains. So I really like this coat, and I'm definitely plenty warm in it just in this little bit that I've had it on for the try on. So the leggings, they knew how to get me. I am not a huge fan of patterned leggings. There's been like 1 or 2 pairs I've kept out of my boxes. I am a sucker for floral though, so super cute. I like the colors because it's mostly gray and white and black. It would go with everything that I have. Very good height on these. They're high, so they hold everything in. I think they make my butt look super cute, and the fabric is nice and thick, really tight, really supportive. I do have to say I feel like there might be a little bit of an issue going on right here, but I think that you would probably just have to be looking really closely to notice, and hopefully no one's looking that closely at me when I'm wearing them. What do you guys think? Is it too much? Is it just the 86-year-old British woman in me that automatically is in love with these? I think they're kind of fun. And the coat, definitely something for the activity that I'm doing right now and in Wyoming for the next 3 months. Okay, we've got 2 more things to try on. These are the last 2 items from my box. The top is a Nooks tank top, which I love their stuff. I have a couple other tops from them. They wash really well. They fit comfortably. Super soft fabric. This one, I really like the length on it, and then it has kind of this spun like ruching detail, so if you do want it to be shorter, you can do that. I really like the straps in the back. I think it's really flattering. And then the cut here, how it doesn't just go straight, it goes in a little bit. Once again, I think it's really flattering. So this top is really cute, and like I said, the fabric's super soft, and I know that it's gonna wash well. These leggings on the bottom here, I don't know if you guys can see because I know sometimes the lighting is off, but there's kind of like a fake leathery detail here on the back and then on the side, and then there are zipper pockets that are right here so that you can stick your phone in, which is a super fabulous detail. And then it's kind of a higher waist, and you can see fabric is thick. It is not super tight. This would probably be something that you would either need to wear just out and about to run errands, or if you're going for a walk. not for a high impact, or at least for me, I really like things tight when I'm running. Really comfortable. Once again, the fabric is soft. That is something like Sweat Style. I have no doubt I'm going to be getting high quality stuff from them, which leads me to tell you, let's go back and talk about prices. So Sweat Style is like most of the other subscription box services out there. You go to mysweatstyle.com, fill out a survey, stylist sends you clothes, you try them on. There's a $25 styling fee, which is taken off anything that you purchase. And with My Sweat Style, instead of a certain percent off of everything, as long as you spend $250 or more, they take 20% off of your cost. And if you are a Prairie Wife reader and you get your first Sweat Style box, you can go to prairiewifeandheels.com to find the link. You can use this discount code right here to get 20% off anything that you order, whether it's one item or two items, even if it's less than $250. So you're right, I hooked you up there. 5 days to try everything, return what you don't want, fill out online, pay, done. Pretty much everything that they sent me is fabulous. I don't have any complaint. They definitely pay attention to what I need. There's long sleeve stuff, there's layering stuff. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Basically, what I keep is going to just depend on what I already have, and that's the thing with Sweat Style. I've found that because it's workout gear and because my leggings usually last me about 2 years, even if I love all the leggings they send me, I might not keep them because I only work out 3 times a week and I don't need that many. But I do have to tell you, I mean, those navy ones, I can wear those anywhere, right? And these black ones. So really what you keep, I can tell you honestly, everything I've ever gotten from Sweat Style has washed well and worn well. So it's just a question of what you need in your wardrobe. If you're looking for some fresh new workout clothes, something to inspire you, I cannot recommend these guys highly enough. I have not been disappointed with any of the products I've decided to keep. So my tally is $528 for all of these, minus the $25 styling fee. That's going to be $503, and then it's just going to depend on if I keep $250 worth of items or not, what my tally is going to be. MySweatStyle.com. You guys can head to prairiewifeandheels.com to find out a little bit more and get all the links that you need. Lead a life of grit and grace, sass and style, and stay healthy. Bye, guys.